The challenge you have with the Hyd-Mech is they change over their computer system, so there's two different types of part numbers. So sometimes you have to check both numbers on the website. We try to put the new updated part numbers with a cross-reference to the old part number. If you can't find that part, you're going to have to give us a call. And when you do, the two things we're going to need is the serial number and the model number of that machine. Like any big manufacturer, they have supply chains for parts. So they could buy a gearbox from one manufacturer and then 2 years later buy a gearbox from another manufacturer. Sometimes we're going to need a picture of that gearbox to match it up. We have thousands of parts for Hyd-Mech bandsaws in stock. One of the more popular programs Sawblade.com offers is a discount program. We base it off of your purchases of bandsaw blades. If you buy $500 to $2,000 in bandsaw blades in a calendar year, you get an additional 5% to 20% off your bandsaw parts for that machine